Before announcing who won this insane rally Volvo build, huge thank you to everyone who entered. You guys help support our dream of giving away more ship boxes to more people more often. And of course, congratulations to the second and third place winners. You guys are the first to get our Tuner Club season pass. That's 6 months of Tuner Club and the entries, all of our upcoming builds, which you definitely do not want to miss out on. That being said, the time has come to announce who won our rally Volvo giveaway. How you doing? Is this Parker? Hey Parker, this is Dustin from Tuner Market, man. Dude, you won our Volvo giveaway car, bro. Fuck yeah, dude. Of course, brother. Congratulations, man. Hell yeah.